Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So if you're ready to delete your Instagram account once and for all, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. At the top, select Account Center. Now scroll down to Account Settings, then Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control at the bottom. Here you'll see the option for deactivation or deletion. Tap that and choose the Instagram account you want to delete. Next, select Delete Account and hit Continue. Instagram will show you what's going to be deleted. Take a moment to read through it, then press Continue again. You'll need to give a reason for deleting your account. Go through the options carefully, then tap Continue. Tap Continue again. After that, sign into your account for verification. Finally, if you're absolutely sure, tap Delete Account. And just like that, your Instagram account is permanently removed. It's quick and simple, and now you're free from Instagram if that's what you want. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials.